Hey Lily, I've been looking everywhere for you. Why are you sitting out here all alone?
Oh, hey Maya. I just wanted some peace and quiet. Everything felt a bit too.
Do you want to talk about it? Or would you prefer if I just sat here with you for a while?
Sitting with me is fine. Honestly, I'm just feeling really overwhelmed with all our assignments and exams.
I completely understand. It really is a lot right now. But remember that big science project last term?
Yeah, we thought we'd never finish it on time. You're right. It just feels a bit heavier this time.
Exactly. But we took it step by step and finished it together. We will get through this too, I promise.
You're right. It just feels a bit heavier this time. And sometimes I feel like I'm doing.
You are never truly alone, Lily. Even when I'm not right next to you, I'm just a text or phone call away.
Thanks, Maya. It sounds silly when I say it out loud, but I just got stuck in my own head today.
It's not silly at all. Everyone feels like that sometimes. It is completely okay to step back and take a breath when things get tough.
Thanks. Just talking to you makes this garden feel a whole lot brighter.
That's what best friends are for. Now, how about this? We go inside, break down that essay into smaller parts, and write just one page today?
That actually sounds manageable.
Great. And after that, warm hot chocolate is on me. Deal?
Deal. You always know how to make me feel better, Maya.
Always. Now come on, let's head inside together.